Bert and Kip, Episode 70, The Police Officer. Kip was near the street. People walked and talked. Cars zoomed by. Suddenly, Kip heard a loud whistle. All the cars stopped. Kip looked around. He saw a woman in the street. The woman looked very serious. She wore a hat and a badge. She had a whistle.
A police officer,
said Kip. People were waiting to cross the street. The police officer waved to them. The people walked across the street.
Wow,
said Kip. A woman rode a bike fast. The police officer blew her whistle. The woman slowed down. A man dropped a cup on the sidewalk.
No littering, sir,
said the police officer. Sorry, said the man. He picked up the cup.
Wow,
said Kip.
I want to be a police officer.